Hello everyone. Today's video is going to focus on Powers Wrestling for the wrestling season 2020-2021. So if you would, grab your winter 2020 catalog and you can follow along. First thing we're going to do is look at the fabrics specific to wrestling. So on the back of page 38, fabric number 29. This is a 90% polyester, 10% spandex. It is exclusive to the compression top in the two-piece uniform. Fabric number 290 is a mock woven, 92% polyester, 8% spandex. This one is exclusive to the fight short in the two-piece uniform. And then the last fabric is our fabric number 390, which is 81% polyester, 19% spandex, and it's the only fabric that we'll offer this year in wrestling singlets. Okay? Over on page 37, some specifics around the program. So the delivery schedule is going to be, or the delivery will be per our delivery schedule, typically speaking 4 to 5 weeks. Middle summer months, that's going to stretch out in anticipation of focusing on-time delivery for fall sports. The sizing, men's sizing, small through 3 extra large, women's size small through 3 extra large, and youth size extra small through large. The nice thing about the size profile is if you have a club team, you can use youth sizing all the way up through the adult sizing. You'll notice there we have a suggested weights and matching corresponding alpha size. It's not gospel. There's different body types, tall, small, short, but we've done a lot of testing with local gals teams, guys teams, and youth clubs, and this works really pretty well. So if you use this as a guide, you should be in great shape in terms of sizing, okay? All right, pricing. So style pricing includes team name and logos. So wherever we can allow for a team name or logo, I suggest you go on to the Powers Uniform Builder and you can upload special logos, special fonts. It's a great tool, and all the style pricing includes all the decoration that you can apply. All right? Okay, new styles. We're going to focus on the singlets and then we'll move into the two-piece. So page 31. So new singlets. Remember last year we introduced 3 singlets and 2 compression shirt, fight short combination. So here's 4 new singlets in the line. So the first one, style 511 on the men's. So this is the men's cut. Features neck and armhole binding. And then on the back, we'll have an upper portion for a sublimated print design. It doesn't have to. There's print offerings are found on page 38. And then the bottom will have a 3-stripe sublimation design at the bottom of both legs. On the men's singlets, for the new styles, we will have encased elastic. So instead of the gripper, which will still be used in the carryover men's styles, we've gone with a encased elastic leg opening. On the women's and the youth side, we'll continue with the gripper elastic. Okay? So, speaking of women's, so here's the women's style 511. You can see the neck comes up significantly on the front, and the armholes are much smaller than they are on the guys' cut. We've gone to local high school girls teams and fit this several times, and we really have something that works pretty well for gal singlets and the fit. So you look at 511 here, we've chosen a solid back. It doesn't have to be one of those prints. And again, the 3-stripe design at the bottom. Okay, so new 511. Also available, and I don't have this one, but available in youth. As I just mentioned, sizes extra small through large. Right? Okay, continuing the new design, style 510. On the men's side, encased elastic at the bottom, neck and armhole binding, and then down the side, a nice opportunity for one of those print patterns on page 38. It doesn't have to. Here's the women's 510 look. Here we chose to go with a solid color stripe down the side and a nice spot for a logo on the back. All right. Continuing with new designs, 509. This one, again, neck and armhole binding, standard on all the singlets. And then a pointed front and back sublimated design with a bottom being solid color and the side a 3rd color. Obviously, it doesn't have to be a 3rd color. You can make it university red or white here. On the gals, just to give you an idea how this looks on the gals cut. Again, pointed design on the front and on the back. And then again, the sublimated stripe design down the side. gripper elastic in the bottom on the gals, neck and armhole binding. Okay, last new singlet design, style 508, neck and armhole binding down the side, and then 2 vertical stripes that change color about 2/3 of the way down on the singlet. And the spot, again, spots for decoration, fronts and backs. The gals 508, again, unique gals cut, and again, the 2 vertical stripes that change color. Again, they don't have to change. You can make those solid color. Again, just get on the builder, and the builder does a nice job allowing different designs and looks. Okay. All right. I'm going to pop over then to page 34 and look at new 2-piece designs. Again, available in men's, women's, and youth in the 2-piece. So new design. First one out of the gate on the shirt is going to be the 514 JM. JW for women, JY for youth, self-material neck, and then a 2-stripe design down the side. This one looks a lot like 508 singlet that changes color. And then the short features gripper elastic waist with a drawstring, the waistband tab, as we'll call it, in the 290 fabric, and then again the 2-stripe design vertically down the sides of both the shirt and the short. Here's the women's look in that very same 514, 515 combination. 2-stripe design down both sides, self-material neck. And then the short, again, waistband tab. You know, we've taken rise out of here, 7-inch standard inseam, 9 on the guys, and a 2-inch or 2 stripes down the sides. Okay. Last new 2-piece design over on page 33. So the shirt is going to feature, this is the 512 JM, JW gals, JY for youth. Again, self-material neck, and then a larger center sublimated stripe with 2 adjacent narrow stripes down both sides, spots for logos on the sleeves, fronts and backs. And in the short, the 513 on the guy's side, waistband tab, contrasting color waist, again the gripper elastic and the drawstring, and then the wider center stripe with the 2 corresponding sublimated stripes on either side of that 513. Here's the gals fit, just to give you an idea. Again, with all of the compression shirts, you'll notice there is a 3-inch shirt tail bottom, which is National High School Federation, so we're Federation compliant on the compression tops. So again, wider center stripe down the side with 2 stripes on either side of that, and then the short on the gal side, contrasting color waistband, the waistband tab, spot for a logo there, gripper elastic waist, drawstring, and again, wider center stripe with 2 corresponding narrow stripes on either side. So several new offerings in the wrestling line. Women's wrestling is coming. There's a lot of states playing wrestling. 21 now are sanctioned states, and more are going to add. And now with youth product through singlets and 2-piece, we really have something in wrestling. So after you had a chance to look at the video, if you have further questions, contact your sales agent or our outstanding customer service department. Thanks.